Most entrepreneurs post on social media daily, but without a system to capture leads, all that effort disappears into thin air. Social media pros know the secret. Use a lead magnet that turns attention into clients. And with Wix, creating one is fast and powerful. Step 1. Design a resource your audience actually wants. If you're a coach, offer a free 5-day social growth plan. If you're in e-commerce, share a top 10 viral product ideas guide. The key is giving immediate value your followers can't resist. Step 2. Build a sleek landing page on Wix.